Morning, sir. Good morning for video. Right. Next. I want to find the value of, listen. I want to find the value of 1 plus sine 2 theta. What is the root of 1 plus sine theta? If I ask the root of 1 plus cos 2 theta, we know 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta. We have only okay, very good. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. That we know, everybody. What about 1 plus sine 2 theta? 1 plus sine 2 theta. Chaplet sir. We know sine 2 theta is that we know. I'll write 1 as cos square theta plus sine square theta. Shall I write, sir?
Yes, sir.
Now see that 3 terms are there. First term a square, second term b square, third term 2ab. So we write it as root of cos theta plus equal to
Cos theta plus sin theta.
but not always. If it is positive, we write plus value. If it is negative, we write minus value. So plus or minus cos theta plus sin. Now my question is, cos theta plus sin theta is positive under what theta? Cos theta plus sin theta is negative for what values of theta? That is my question. Today we are going to discuss what should we write, plus cos theta plus sin theta or minus of cos theta plus sin theta? Depends upon theta. If it is only root of cos theta, root of cos square theta, and we can write cos theta when theta belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Because when theta belongs to fourth quadrant and first quadrant, cos theta is positive, we can write directly plus cos theta. Or minus cos theta when theta belongs to pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. But it is not only cos theta or only sin theta. Cos theta plus sin theta. So it is difficult to tell or conclude cos theta plus sin theta is positive for what, under what values of theta. So that we will discuss today's class. So take cos theta plus sin theta. We take this. Listen. I give you time to write. Cos theta plus sin theta is the function of theta. So under what, for what values of theta is positive, we discuss. To that, multiply and divide with root 2. I multiply and divide with root 2. See the bracket value. It is cos pi by 4. It is sin pi by 4 if I write. Cos A, cos B plus sin A, sin B. Cos A, cos B plus sin A, sin B is expansion of cos A minus B. So we can write it as root 2 into cos of pi by 4 minus theta. And I will convert simply cos alpha. Simply cos alpha where alpha equal to pi by 4 minus theta. Because we can give the conclusion of angle if it is cos or if it is sin only. Cos theta plus sin theta is given, it is difficult to find theta. If it is only cos theta, then theta belongs to, if theta belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, then it is positive, we can conclude. So we can conclude this is positive when this angle belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. This is positive because root 2's are very clearly positive. So this is cos of alpha, where alpha is pi by 4 minus theta. This is positive only when the angle belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, cos theta plus sin theta is positive if pi by 4 minus theta belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Not, but we want theta. Don't want pi by 4 minus theta. We want only theta. So theta is belongs to what? That is what we mean. So minus pi by 2 less than or equal to pi by 4 minus theta less than or equal to pi by 2. I rewrite the same. The meaning minus pi by 2. This value lies between minus pi by 2 and pi by 2. Subtract pi by 4 throughout the inequality. Minus 3 pi by 4 less than or equal to minus theta less than or equal to pi by 4. I am subtracting pi by 4 throughout the inequality. Throughout the inequality. Even then we are not getting theta. So multiply with minus. Multiply with minus. Then R also changes. When you multiply with a negative number, minus pi by 4 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 3 pi by 4. So when theta in this interval, when theta belongs to minus pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4, cos theta plus sin theta is positive. Around is a diagram. Minus pi by 4. Minus pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. In this interval, in this range, cos theta plus sin theta is positive. Cos theta is plus sin theta is positive when theta in between minus pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. Minus pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. Obviously the remaining part is negative. In this range, C plus S is negative. That means C plus S is negative in the interval 3 pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. Lower limit is should be more than upper limit. And it is also equivalent to 7 pi by 4. 7 pi by 4. So it is also equivalent because lower limit always less than the upper limit. Don't say 3 pi by 4 to negative value. Upper limit should be more than lower limit interval. Interval ఎలా తీసుకున్నాం అంటే 2 to 1 తీసుకున్నాం. We should say 1 to 2. So 3 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4. C plus S is negative. Cos theta plus sin theta. Similarly, immediately I want to know root of 1 minus sin 2 theta. Root of 1 minus sin 2 theta, again it is modulus of cos theta minus sin theta. So cos theta minus sin theta is positive for what values of theta. Same concept. This we can write it as root 2 into cos of pi by 4 plus theta. Same thing. The plus is there, here minus is there. It is the expansion is of the form cos A plus B. So cos A plus B is positive when this angle is positive. Minus pi by 2 less than or equal to pi by 4 plus theta less than or equal to pi by 2. When the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, the value cos theta minus sin theta is positive. So here I will subtract pi by 4 throughout the inequality. Minus 3 pi by 4 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to pi by 4. Minus 3 pi by 4 means this is minus 3 pi by 4. Minus pi by 4, minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 4 to pi by 4. This is the range of cos theta minus sin theta is in this shade. Cos theta minus sin theta is positive. Okay. So from minus pi by 4 to pi by 4, both C plus S and C minus S are positive. See that? Minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 both are positive. And 3 pi by 4 to minus 3 pi by 4, you can't say. 3 pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. In this region is the both are negative. Both are negative. and here this is range pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. In this range, c plus s is negative, c minus s is positive. C plus s means cos theta plus sin theta. C minus s means cos theta minus sin theta. And remaining part, this part, minus 3 pi by 4 to minus pi by 4. C plus s is positive. C plus s is this is c minus s, okay. C minus s is positive. C plus s is negative. We'll write again. Okay. So write down first. Note first point. First point. Cos theta plus sin theta is greater than 0 if theta belongs to cos theta plus sin theta is greater than 0 if theta belongs to minus pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. Cos theta plus sin theta is greater than 0 if theta belongs to minus pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. Cos theta plus sin theta is less than 0 for ఇప్పుడు నెగటివ్ అవుతుంది remaining part 3 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4. Very good. మిగతా ఏమి రాయదు సార్ ప్రూఫ్ ఇవేమో రైట్ డౌన్ జస్ట్ దీస్ 2 పాయింట్స్. ప్రూఫ్ ఏమో వస్తుంది జస్ట్ నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. అండ్ థర్డ్ పాయింట్, cos theta minus sin theta is positive. This is cos theta minus sin theta line. It is positive in the interval. What is the interval, sir? Minus 3 pi by 4 to 5 by 4. And negative? Negative 5 by 4 to 5 by 4. Very good. Once again, listen. Cos theta plus sin theta is positive, is greater than 0. Then theta belongs to dash. What is your answer? Minus 5 by 4 or minus 45 to 135 degrees. Is it one? Suppose if theta belongs to minus 315 degrees comma minus 315 degrees comma 495 degrees. What about cos theta plus sin theta? Greater than 0, less than 0, equal to 0. None of these. మీరు ఎంతవరకు చెప్పారు సార్ ఇదేంటి మా తెలియదు. దిస్ వీ డోంట్ నో. యూ టోల్డ్ మీ cos theta plus sin theta is positive only when minus 5 by 4 to 3 pi by 4 only. Remaining intervals we don't know. See this is the angle. If you take one round, see minus 5 by 4, minus 45 to 3 by 4, cos theta plus sin theta is positive, that we discussed. Now minus 315 is what? From minus 45, take a round. Take a round. What do you get, sir? One complete rotation. Minus, I am adding 360 for both. I am adding 360. 360. Adding 360 means what? One complete rotation. After one complete rotation, where we are? At the same position. It is equal into minus 45 to 135 only. Not only one round. If you make 4 rounds, if you make 100 rounds, result is same. So we can generalize this. This is theta belongs to 2n pi minus 45 to 2n pi plus 3 pi by 4. N is any positive integer. 2 pi means one complete rotation. 4 pi, 2 complete rotations. 6 pi, 3 complete rotations. So in generalized also you can write. This is generalized. In this interval, cos theta plus sin theta is positive. That way you can. Okay. Similarly, the same way, cos theta minus sin theta positive. 2n pi minus 3 pi by 4 to 2n pi plus pi by 4. This is particular solution or principal solution. General solution is this. Okay. So we'll write general solution also. General solution. General solution. In general solution, I'll write both equations. What happened? I'll see. Both means combined. Both are positive. Cos theta plus sin theta is positive, comma. Cos theta minus sin theta also positive. Both positive under what theta? Both are positive between minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 only, isn't it? So, if theta belongs to 2n pi minus pi by 4 to 2n pi plus pi by 4, last one. N belongs to z plus. C plus S is positive, C minus S is negative. C plus S is positive, C minus S is negative. C plus S is positive, C minus S is negative. Okay. What is the interval? This is C plus S positive, C minus S is negative. Interval pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. Write clearly, not like me. Otherwise you told me, sir, you told the same. 8 pi by 4 as a C and as a 3D. Sir, you told that only, sir. 3 pi by 4. Both are negative. If theta belongs to 2n pi, both are negative from 3 pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. C plus S is negative and C minus S is positive. If theta belongs to 2n pi minus 3 pi by 4 to 2n pi minus pi by 4. And write this diagram also. Diagram also. We'll do a problem. Complete. Any doubts, sir? In this regard, most important, you should identify for what value of theta, cos theta is positive, sorry, cos theta plus sin theta is positive, and cos theta minus sin theta is positive. All the ranges we should know. Any doubts, sir? Yes, any doubts, sir? In this regard. Now I'll find out the value root of 1 plus sin 2 theta plus root of 1 minus sin 2 theta when theta belongs to this range. Tell me, root of 1 plus sin 2 theta plus root of 1 minus sin 2 theta equal to modulus of cos theta plus sin theta. Is it done? I'm writing directly modulus of cos theta plus sin theta. It is modulus of cos theta. So shall we write plus cos theta plus sin theta or minus of cos theta plus sin theta? What is the value? Depends upon this range is given. Say this in this interval of theta, cos theta plus sin theta positive or negative? Weightage and చూడండి.
Negative.
Cos theta three pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. Third part, in this part, both are negative. So I'll write minus of cos theta plus sin theta minus of cos theta minus sin theta. See, in this interval both are negative, so I'll write minus on both sides before. Minus cos theta minus sin theta minus cos theta plus sin theta. So these two are vanished. Equal to minus 2 cos theta. Right. equal to 2 cos theta, then theta belongs to dash. Question reverse, sir. Here theta is given. What is RHS? In the second question, RHS is given. Theta belongs to dash. Got my question? See the solution. Given root of 1 plus sin 2 theta plus root of 1 minus sin 2 theta equal to 2 cos theta. But actually this is modulus of cos theta plus sin theta plus modulus of cos theta minus sin theta equal to 2 cos theta. So right hand side is 2 cos theta given. This is possible only when both are positive, isn't it? So if both are positive, then only sign will vanish, 2 cos theta will be occur, isn't it? So to get 2 cos theta, both should be positive. Implies c plus s is greater than 0, comma c minus s is greater than 0. Implies theta belongs to first case. Copy put it 2n pi minus pi by 4 to 2n pi plus pi by 4. That's it. Any doubts, sir? Shall I give one more question? If root of 1 plus sin 2 theta minus root of 1 minus sin 2 theta equal to 2 cos theta, then theta belongs to dash. Third one means both are negative. I want right hand side is 2 cos theta. And mod cos theta minus mod cos theta minus sin theta equal to 2 cos theta. Modulus of cos theta plus sin theta minus modulus of cos theta minus sin theta equal to 2 cos theta. Fourth one అంటే c plus s నెగటివ్ అంటే minus cos theta minus sin theta. This is positive minus cos theta plus sin theta. We'll get minus 2 cos theta. నేను అడిగింది 2 cos theta సార్. ఇంకా ఉన్నది అది ఒకటే సార్. Say it should be positive, it should be negative, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
If it is negative, then minus of minus plus cos theta ఎంత అవుతుందండి? If it is plus అయిపోతుంది. Plus అయితే sin theta will vanish, 2 cos theta will be. So c plus is positive, c minus is negative, that is
Second.
we should write equal to 2 cos theta. If cos theta, if c plus s is greater than 0 comma c minus s is less than 0, then theta belongs to second case. Case 2. Any doubts, sir?